If you were watching Terry and Matt early this morning on Daybreak from 4:30 until 7 a.m., they were tracking one round of stronger storms that pushed their way through West Michigan, produced a wind gust of 58 miles an hour at Big Sable Point there, just north of Ludington in Mason County. If you were watching me a little bit earlier during some of the cut-ins this morning, we had another round that passed through, and the last of the shower activity is now exiting extreme eastern Mecosta County near the Mount Pleasant Shepherd area north to Clare. That batch of shower and thunderstorm activity is moving off to the east and northeast. Dry right now across southwest lower Michigan. In fact, a good portion of the region is still dry at this point. And while I can't rule out a pop-up shower or storm this afternoon, the chance for that is quite low. And if we do see a couple of those, it'll really just be a couple of those. Much like yesterday, we're going to be watching for more thunderstorms to develop to our west. Those will push in here later on. And when I say later on, I'm talking about after sunset, more likely around or after midnight. But you can see the entire lower peninsula, Wisconsin, northern Illinois, well back to the west of the Mississippi River is again under the gun for severe weather today. And you can see included in the slight risk area for severe weather. That'll be the case again tomorrow. Look at it, doesn't really change much. And the reason is we have basically a stationary front, basically a boundary here, which is going to serve as a trigger that's basically sitting over the same areas today, tomorrow, into Thursday, Friday, and even on Saturday. So that's why we're going to see continued development. But again, dry conditions right now. And I think other than an isolated shower or storm, we do stay dry during a good portion of the daylight hours today, but still an active and humid weather pattern that's going to be with us right on through Saturday. Best chance for that next round of storms will come tonight. Could produce heavy rain, frequent lightning, and some isolated damaging hail or perhaps some wind gusts. And this entire system really isn't going to clear the area until late in the weekend. I think we'll see some relief starting Sunday and mainly into Monday and Tuesday. So what's here is here to stay, at least for the next couple of days. Current air temp already 84 in Grand Rapids. If you have outdoor plans today, be sure to take frequent breaks. Drink plenty of water. That dehydration will sneak up on you quickly. Wind still a little gusty out of the southwest, sustained 15 to 25 miles an hour. Notice the futurecast here at 2 o'clock, so a few hours from now, trying to show perhaps a little bit of shower and thunderstorm development near Interstate 69, US 127. That's going to be pushing off to the east, though. Then what do we see? A little sunshine. Just checked out the observations in Wisconsin. Most locations there reporting partly to mostly sunny skies. But look at this, 10 p.m. So here we are about 45 minutes or so, 40 minutes after sunset, looking at that chance for showers and storms to push through. Rounds of them through the overnight. This is 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, so you early risers heading off to work may have to deal with that. And then it becomes a little less certain tomorrow. Notice how we do see scattered thunderstorm development even through the 2 o'clock hour tomorrow. Really have to watch those radar trends, and just how much develops tomorrow will really depend on how long this batch of overnight and early morning storms stays with us. So you certainly want to tune in and watch Bill Steffen tonight starting at 5 o'clock. He'll be looking at the next round of data. Heading out to Lake Michigan today, waves 1 to 3 feet, but a moderate risk for rip currents, especially if we happen to see a couple of those thunderstorms develop over the water. And the 8-day forecast does show that active, very muggy weather pattern continuing. Sue, I've never been so happy to have air conditioning.
I know it. Look at those temperatures. Wow.
Yeah, you can just tell. Even this morning, you walk outside at 78 degrees. You think 78 doesn't sound so bad.
But you can feel the...
You can feel it.
Okay. Laura, thank you.